How's it going? Product review time again. This time, I got a wireless camera with a battery and a solar panel. That's cool. Let's check it out. So this is the ReoLink Argus 2. Like I said, it's Wi-Fi, battery powered, and comes with a solar panel. The main marketing tag on this one is it's completely wire-free. Let's see what you get in the box. Here's the camera. It's actually a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. It's got a magnetic base, which is super cool. Speaker down here, probably motion detector here. Little dot there for a microphone. Camera, of course. This is the battery. It's got a USB port here, so you can charge it with any USB charger probably, or that's where you connect the solar panel. There's a pretty cool little rubbery weatherproof skin that goes over the camera and battery. Looks like it's wearing a baseball hat. It's kind of fun. There's a flap here. It looks like you have to cut to get the wires through. They give you a mount for the camera and a mount for the solar panel. And then here's the solar panel. It says max power 2.8 watts, max voltage 6 volts DC, and max current 480 milliamps. It also comes with the strap. All right, let's set it up. Plug in the battery.
Camera has been started up. Please run the ReoLink app, add the camera, and set it up.
Okay, here we are in the App Store. There's the ReoLink app. Open it.
Please run the ReoLink app, add the camera, and set it up.
She keeps saying that. Send notifications, yeah, probably true. Terms of service, sure. You haven't added any devices. Please click the plus button in the top right corner to add one. Okay. Oh, and I did see a QR code. One of the greatest inventions ever. Connect to Wi-Fi. Please run app, add a camera, and set it up. Yes, I heard that voice. Wi-Fi.
Please run the ReoLink app, add the camera, and set it up.
Scan.
Scan succeeded. Camera is connecting to your router. Please wait. Connection to the router succeeded.
It worked. Great. Okay, create a login password. Type in at least 6 characters. Okay. Name your camera. Front yard. Initialization finished. Camera sensors and precautions. Camera detects events with a PIR motion sensor. Proper installation of the camera helps reduce false alarms and save battery power consumption. Don't point to frequently moving objects. Don't point to strong light. Avoid strong signal interference. Keep away from heat resources. Don't point to the mirror. Use now. ReoLink would like to access your photos. Okay. And there it is. There I am. Little bit of a delay. What else we got here? Color, black and white, auto. Okay. Fluent or 1080p. Oh, that's recording. I just saved a picture of myself. Oh, here's another one. I saved a clip. That was saving a clip. This is saving a picture. And then that's pausing the stream and bringing the stream back. I'm sure if I hit the little speaker up there, it would unmute. And then we would hear a bunch of feedback. So let's not do that. All right, very cool. Talk, alarms, trigger alarm sound. Ready for this? No camera SD card is detected. You may not access playback feature. So if you want to access the playback feature, you need to put an SD card in here. So that's the basic setup. That was easy enough. Enables push to receive alerts. Yes. So for the PIR sensor, you can set a schedule, what time of day, certain days of the week. You can set the sensitivity. What else we got? Record settings, post motion duration 8 seconds. Infrared lights turn on automatically in low light conditions, as they should. Status LED. It's on. I'm going to turn it off. I don't want anybody to see it. The question that I'm sure most of the people who watch my videos are going to ask is, can you get an RTSP feed from this camera to use it in your NVR software like Blue Iris or ZoneMinder or whatever you use? As far as I could find so far, ReoLink is not allowing that with this camera. I think that's because of battery life. If the camera is constantly putting out an RTSP feed, it's going to be using a lot more power than if it's just on standby until there's motion detected. I'm not sure why it can't just put out the RTSP feed when there's motion detected, but there's probably a reason that they can't do that too. So that's too bad. Let's go install it in the front yard. I've been scouting out a place where I can mount it and get lots of sunlight on the solar panel. Let's see how it goes. Well, that's it. The ReoLink Argus 2. I'm using this camera to replace a Blink XT. It's nice that this one has the solar panel, so I won't ever have to change the batteries. That was a problem with the Blink. I still wish I could get a more constant live feed. But again, maybe I'm asking too much by expecting that from a wireless battery-powered camera. But overall, the picture looks good, motion sensing works pretty well, the app's easy to use, and sends me notifications when there's motion. I still wish there was some way to get an RTSP feed so I could include this camera in my NVR with all my other cameras. But apart from that, got nothing to complain about. It's a nice little camera. That's all for now. As always, thanks for watching. Till next time, adios. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, this box will take you to a playlist of some of my favorites. In addition to videos like this, I also do live streams every Sunday. This box will take you to a recording of the latest live stream. That's all for now. Adios.